Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to this video on using generative AI to streamline debugging and troubleshooting in a production IT environment. Traditional debugging can take hours of manual log reading and searching. AI-assisted debugging can drastically reduce this to just minutes by providing structured analysis and clear solutions. The core AI debugging engine relies on 3 simple steps: providing context, sharing the exact logs, and clearly defining your objective. When dealing with a 500 internal server error, for example, your prompt should describe the specific failure and ask for an analysis and fix, while also considering preventative measures. For database access issues, use the AI to generate a triage list covering potential problems like incorrect credentials, missing permissions, or host configuration errors. For silent front-end bugs where no errors appear in the console, ask the AI for a blind spot checklist, such as checking event binding, function invocation, or async issues. A powerful trick is to ask the AI to act like a senior engineer. This forces it into a more structured, analytical mode of thinking. Watch out for anti-patterns, providing no context, omitting logs, being too broad, or blindly trusting the AI output without verification. Build a personal debugging arsenal template. Keep it handy to ensure every request to your AI assistant includes all necessary system and issue details. Ready to practice? Try this 4-day action plan. Debug 3 real issues, perform rigorous log analysis, and create your custom debugging template. By combining your engineering expertise with AI tools, you can handle production issues faster and deliver significantly more value. Keep iterating, validating, and growing. Thank you for watching this guide to AI-assisted debugging. By following these structured workflows, you can resolve production issues more efficiently. Apply these practices today and start building your own debugging toolkit for better results.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.